In this video, I'll show you how to download and install RLCraft. Now, this is a mod pack in Minecraft, and the way that you can download it is first you need to make sure that you have the Minecraft installed, the real Minecraft. Once you're sure that you have that, you want to head over to curseforge.com. Don't worry, this is a legit website. And from in here, you want to press get the CurseForge app. In here, just download the standalone. We don't need the Overwolf. Download standalone. Will come up here. Once you do that, it's going to look like this. Next, accept, and choose the folder. Now, once you've downloaded it, you can open it, and it's going to look like this. If you don't see Minecraft on the left side, press add a game. Choose Minecraft or scan your computer, or you can manually add the game. Now, once you have Minecraft added, what you want to do is head over to browse, search for RLCraft, press enter, and you'll be able to see it right here. Now, usually you would just install the one with the most downloads right here to 22 million, because all of these are just extra stuff. So just choose this one, press install, and once it's done installing, you can press play, and it's gonna open up your Minecraft browser. It's gonna change this down here to an RLCraft version, and simply just press play. Now that's basically how it works, guys. It's super simple and super easy, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.